Have you been looking for ways to change your country or your region on iPhone? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually change your region or your country on your iPhone device. The first thing you want to do, you want to change this. You want to go to your Apple Store. So let's go to my Apple Store. So once you get to your Apple Store, I want you to check the upper right corner. Once you check the upper right corner, you're going to see your profile over there. Tap on that profile. So once you tap on that, it will bring another page for you. On this page, you want to tap on your name at the top. Just tap on your name at the top. So once you tap on your name, it will load up another page for you. So once it loads up for you, I want you to check here. You are going to see country/region. I want you to tap on that. Once you tap on that, as you can see, my current region is Nigeria. My current region is Nigeria because I'm a Nigerian. So any country you are, to change it to any country you want from anywhere you are, just go to the search bar and type in the country you want to change it to. Let's say I want to change my country from Nigeria to USA. I'll just type in United States here. So once you tap United States, tap on United States. So once you tap on that, it will ask me change country or region. Just tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, it will ask you to read the terms and condition. And once you read the terms and condition, I just want you to, if you check the upper right corner, you're going to see agree over there. So tap on that agree. So once you tap on agree, it will load up another page for you. So on this page, you just want to put in your credit card or your PayPal. If you have a PayPal account, you can actually use a PayPal account. Once you put that, come down. You just want to follow this on screen information. Just fill everything. Once you fill it, just want to tap on done at the top. If you check the upper right corner, you're going to see done. Once you tap on that done, your country will be changed to the preferred country you want to change to.